One.
This is a Permobil M3 power chair, fully loaded, and this power chair has 16 miles, so it's practically new. It's probably used for 1 month. This is the top of the line in quality, speed, endurance, and everything. 16 miles, so it's a practically brand new chair. It has the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, and the electric legs. So this is the M3 power chair. So the first thing I want to show you is how to work the function through the switch box. Now you can work it through the joystick or through the switch box. The first button, you can see the picture of the seat lift. If I hit that button right here, you can start seeing your seat lift going up. So it'll start at 22 inches and it'll go up to, at 12 inches, it'll go up to 34 inches. You'll be eye level. So this is up to, right now it's up to 34 inches. You can see the armature right here for the seat lift, how well built this is. These are 14-inch solid wheels. You've got an anchor point here, another anchor point on this side, so you have 4 of them all total around the chair. You have the suspension back here that you can see back in there. The suspension back in this chair is right back in here, right here. And you can see, if I push, you can see the suspension at work right there. There's a motor for each wheel. There's a motor on these M3s. The motor goes from front to back to the middle of the wheel right here. There's a motor here. There's a motor on the other side. There's a lever on top of these motors. If you turn the power off on the chair, and if you wanted to push this chair, you can't push it, it's in gear. But if you pull the lever inward, you're in neutral. Okay? Push it back. You have to do both motors. With the seat elevated, you can still drive this chair, if you can see, at a reduced speed, but you can drive the chair with the seat elevated. Okay? So I'm going to bring the seat back down. So we're coming back from 34 back to 22 inches. This is a swing away joystick, so yeah, it's on the right hand side, but if you're left hand, we can switch the joystick on the left side and it'll still swing the opposite direction. So this is a swing away joystick. The next feature I'm going to show you is called the electric tilt. The electric tilt is when the base right here goes back, okay? Here we go. So this is the base right here. You can see it's starting to go back. Of course, when you have a tilt, it takes the legs and it takes the back together. They're all connected. That's called the electric tilt right here. This is as far as it'll go, right there. The next thing I'm going to show you, the electric legs. These legs are short right now, but we can make them longer. If you're 5 feet tall, 6 foot tall, we can adjust them to your length. Okay? So those are your legs right there. And on this chair, if you extend your legs before you do your tilt, they'll be even higher, which I'll show you in a minute. But if you want some circulation, this is the way you would do it. Okay? I'm going to bring the tilt back down to show you how much higher the legs can go. So if you tilted, if you got your legs up before you did the tilt, your legs will go higher. Right now, that's as high as they would go when I was tilted, but if you do it this way, here, get your legs up. That's just the way this chair is made. It's just a funny chair. So if you get your legs here, like this, and then you do your tilt, there you go. So now you can have your legs a lot higher. And you can be about this high and still be higher than your legs still be higher than your body and still have circulation. So that's the electric tilt. The next function I'm going to show you is called the electric recline. The electric recline is just the back right here going back by itself. This is called the electric recline when the back only goes back. Nothing else moves. That's called the electric recline right there, and we'll see how far down that goes. So it's a full recline. So if you were laying in your chair, this is what it would look like with a full recline. Okay? And we'll bring the recline back up. Then we'll bring the legs back down. I'm doing 2 buttons at once, but if you do it through the joystick, you only need to do 1 button. You can do 2 functions. These chairs are just incredible. The electronics and all the options you have with this chair. Alright, so we have the back up there. And we have the seat. Okay, so, and the seat is, bring the seat back. So this has also what's called anterior tilt. What that means, you can see right there, the seat is tilted forward to help you get out. This chair has got what's called anterior tilt. So it does have 5 functions. It has a 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric leg, and the anterior tilt. That's 5 electric functions on this chair. So this power chair, as I said, it's got 5 electric functions, 12-inch seat lift, electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs, and the interior tilt. That's 5 electric functions, 16 miles on the chair. The foot plate, when you're outside, just keep them up like that, keep them off the ground. The seat is 16 by 19 deep, so it's a real narrow seat. It does have lateral pads, and these pads right here can be removed right here by loosening this thing. You can remove them, you can also move them all the way to the front to keep your knees from falling off your foot plate. That's what they're for, okay? So they can be moved all the way up to here, which give you even more support to keep your knees together, okay? Those are called lateral pads. The cushion is a row hose cushion. This is an air cushion that can be filled right here through this valve with a little plastic pump that we will include. You've got your owner's manual with all your tools in here. You've got a safety belt. As I said, the arms do flip up on this chair. This is a mid-wheel drive, so it turns on its own length. So this chair turns on its own length. The back of the chair, right here, there's a power button right here. So when we ship these chairs, we always turn the power off right here. So you would just put your hands in here. You can hear it right there. Back on. These are only reflectors. These are not lights. People always ask me about those. These are reflectors. You've got adjustments here on the seat. So if you need to adjust the seat, the arms on the seat, you've got adjustments. Whenever you turn the power off here, you have to go back and turn the power back up front. When you charge this chair, you take your Permobil charger and you plug it right below your joystick. And as soon as the light goes to full, the battery charger will stop charging. Your batteries are full. You don't have to worry about overcharging your batteries. These chargers these days know when to stop. So, if you're looking for a power chair with 16 miles, which is practically new, with the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric legs, the interior tilt, the swing-away joystick, the lateral pads, the safety belt, the Roho cushion, the fully adjustable headrest that can also be removed. This chair is fully loaded and it's ready to go. .4 miles an hour is the top speed, 6.4 miles an hour. Went to the grass, great suspension. This is just a marvelous machine for the money. It's a great machine. It's the best you're going to get. This is the one with fully loaded with the 12-inch seat lift, the tilt, the recline, the legs, and the interior tilt. It's a beautiful chair, very easy to drive, very smooth. You can drive it as slow as you want like this. If you want, you can just move as slow as you want. That way you don't get any trouble at this speed. Or you can go full speed and you'd be up to 6.4 miles an hour. Beautiful chair.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.